Our planet is under serious threat. The population continues to grow rapidly, resources are being consumed recklessly, and in many cases they're simply wasted. Instead of finding solutions to save Earth, humanity is focusing on abandoning it and colonizing another planet. Mars and the Moon are currently the top contenders for this plan, but this approach might be misguided. Saturn's moon Titan provides a much more favorable environment for humans compared to Mars. On Titan, basic needs like food and water wouldn't pose the same challenges. In fact, within our solar system, Titan is the closest match to Earth's conditions. So why are billionaires around the world pouring their money into colonizing Mars rather than investing in a guaranteed success? What makes Titan the ideal candidate for Earth 2.0, and why is it not being prioritized? In today's video, we'll dive deep into these questions. Let's get started. According to current scientific data, our solar system has over 8 planets and more than 293 confirmed moons. However, each celestial body comes with its own challenges. Mercury and Venus are too hot to sustain life. Jupiter and Saturn lack solid surfaces. Most moons face extreme conditions. Some are too cold, others too hot, and some lack any kind of atmosphere. Mars and the Moon also present significant challenges when it comes to making them habitable. The two primary obstacles are their thin atmospheres and weak gravity. Mars' atmosphere, for example, is 100 times thinner than Earth's. This makes it almost impossible to create a human-friendly environment by pumping artificial gases. Most of the air would simply escape into outer space due to Mars' weak gravity. According to the Planetary Society, Mars' gravity is only 38% of Earth's. This means it's too weak to hold a dense atmosphere. Even if Mars were terraformed to its fullest potential, it would remain cold, and its air would still be thin, similar to conditions atop Mount Everest. Just as climbers on Everest require oxygen tanks to survive, humans on Mars would face similar difficulties even after terraforming. Aside from atmospheric challenges, another major issue is solar radiation. The sun constantly emits rays, releasing dangerous cosmic radiation filled with high-energy particles like electrons, protons, and helium nuclei. These particles are accompanied by electromagnetic radiation, which is so harmful that direct exposure can damage the eyes, skin, and immune system. Prolonged exposure could even result in severe conditions like skin cancer. Fortunately, on Earth we are protected from these dangers by two critical factors: the magnetic field and a dense atmosphere. Earth's magnetic field captures and deflects charged particles, while its atmosphere absorbs ultraviolet rays, forming a protective shield that prevents harmful radiation from reaching the surface. Mars and the Moon, on the other hand, lack both a dense atmosphere and a magnetic field. As a result, living on these celestial bodies would require humans to stay under protective domes to avoid constant exposure to radiation. Why choose Titan? This brings us to Titan, which surpasses Mars and the Moon in many ways, and offers a far more suitable environment for human habitation. Here are 4 key reasons why Titan stands out. First, a dense atmosphere. Titan is the only moon in our solar system with a dense atmosphere. Its atmospheric pressure is just 1.5 times that of Earth's, making it easy for humans to adapt within weeks. Unlike Mars or the Moon, where astronauts need pressurized suits, humans could freely explore Titan without such equipment. Second, protection from radiation. On Titan, there's no need to fear cosmic radiation. There are 3 reasons for this. Distance from the Sun. Titan is 9.5 astronomical units away from the Sun, meaning it receives 100 times less sunlight than Earth. This significantly reduces solar radiation. Thick atmosphere. Titan's atmosphere is denser than Earth's, effectively blocking most radiation before it can reach the surface. Saturn's magnetosphere. Although Titan doesn't have its own magnetic field, it spends 95% of its time within Saturn's powerful magnetosphere, which deflects cosmic radiation. Third, manageable gravity. With gravity at 14% of Earth's, Titan offers a level of surface mobility that is efficient for humans while still allowing for comfortable movement. Fourth, abundant energy sources. Although Titan doesn't receive enough sunlight to make solar panels viable, it has vast reserves of energy resources. Its surface is rich in liquid methane, ethane, and hydrocarbons, which can be synthesized into usable energy. These are the same building blocks that form fossil fuels on Earth. Challenges of living on Titan. While Titan offers many advantages, it's not without its difficulties. The most significant challenge is its extreme cold, with surface temperatures around -180 degrees Celsius. The surface is mostly ice, and liquid water exists only beneath this icy layer. Additionally, Titan's atmosphere is 95% nitrogen, which is essential for plant growth. However, the remaining 5% methane composition would require scientists to increase oxygen levels significantly to make it suitable for human habitation. The way forward. To make Titan a viable home, we'd need to find a sustainable method to raise its surface temperature. This could involve sending unmanned missions to gather more data and deploying robots to gradually adjust its atmospheric composition. If successful, Titan could become a fully habitable world where humans wouldn't require spacesuits or protective domes. However, achieving this goal would demand enormous financial investments and considerable time. Conclusion. Despite Titan's superior potential, its distance from Earth, 88.5 astronomical units compared to Mars's 0.52 astronomical units, makes it a much costlier and time-consuming endeavor. For now, Mars and the Moon remain the primary focus for colonization, even though they are less favorable options. NASA plans to launch the Dragonfly spacecraft to Titan in 2027, with a landing expected by 2034. Whether this mission will bring us closer to making Titan habitable remains to be seen. What do you think? Between Mars, the Moon, and Titan, which is the best option for human settlement? Share your opinions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for updates.